How's it going? This is Jason, and we are in Song Tung Mugs, my little tiny customized shop, boutique, whatever you want to call it. And today we're going to talk about heat transfer vinyl that I'm using for an order that I have, which is the pretty much customized 50 small bags. These things, little canvas bags, doing like 50 of these. And so for one, just backtrack a little bit. I'm located in South Korea. I'm not in the U.S. I'm an American guy from New Orleans, Louisiana. As you see Von Nola on my sweatshirt. From New Orleans, from Louisiana, and I'm here located in the Songtung Entertainment District of South Korea. This area is part of the Pyeongtaek area, and Songtung Entertainment District is located near Ulsan Air Force Base. And today, like I said, I'm working on an order to do on the customized 50 bags, right? And the heat transfer vinyl that we're using is from Star's Heat Transfer Vinyl Seoul. It's a Korean-based company, and we are going to be using their dark green PU on these bags, right? And it's a simple order of that I requested is just to put their company name and little slogan on these bags for them. They provided me the bags, and I just did the vinyl cutting with my machine. It's back there. I cut it, and right here on my workstation to my left, I'm weeding out the material, the cutout, so we can impress it on this bad boy right here. So the heat setting for this vinyl is 150 Celsius for 10 seconds of time, and I want to say about medium pressure, and it goes right on nice and easy. Okay, so we're over here at my work area, right? And we're gonna start working on the Star's heat transfer vinyl. And so just show you an example. So this is the finished product right here. Let me see. Zoom. There you go. So this is the finished product after we weed the vinyl and then press it. So this stack is the finished product. This is the blanks. This is the stack where I'm placing after I'm done weeding the vinyl onto the blank bags. So over here is the workstation, right? So I use these tweezers type of weeding tool to pull off the areas that I don't want to keep for this design. So with this vinyl, it's real easy when it comes to bigger graphics to use, but when it's a smaller one, you kind of have to like take your time. So you see how easy that came off. So it comes off real easy for the bigger, like you see here, for the bigger part. All right, so you see, so this is the part we're keeping. We have to do the circles, but for the most part, this one's easy. Now it gets tricky when it comes to real small letters. So like underneath, if you could show you a finished one. So these small letters underneath are tricky. So that kind of slows you down. Well, slows me down. So I have to make sure that I don't pull up the letters when I go to pull the vinyl that we're not keeping. So like right now, the I came off, the L came off, so I have to go back and reset those parts of the vinyl back into like his the little plastic groove that was cut out with the cutter. And with these tweezers, you can do that. So as you can see, this part makes it tedious. But like I said, for the bigger cutouts of the vinyl, like the top part, is way easy. As you've seen earlier, I just pulled it off. But when it comes to small lettering, they can tend to get pulled off as well when you go to pull off the part of the vinyl that you're not keeping for the design, right? So here, so So right here the W came off. So depending on the graphic work for the design that you're working on, it can go fast or it can take some time because you have to make sure the tiny lettering doesn't come off. Now, for pricing wise, that might be something to consider in the future when you start pricing out doing doing jobs like this for people. If there's small letterings in the design, you might want to charge them more because it's going to require you to take more time to make sure that that small lettering stays in place. If you get what I'm saying. So as right now, I'm pretty much slowed down in my process because I'm having to refix the tiny letters for this design. So now that we have it, this is how the finish looks. So you want to look at it from the front to see if there's any parts you missed. As you can see, we got a little bit of little parts still on the backing. So we're gonna remove that. Make sure we remove any excess parts that's not supposed to be there, because when we press this, we don't want those little random pieces that get put on the blank. Alright, so we take our blank bag and then we place the vinyl on it. So this vinyl already has like a masking film on it, like this sticky plastic part. So it keeps the part that you want to transfer to the garment in place for you, and it kind of doubles as keeping the vinyl in place as well when you go to press it. So now we're gonna move over to the heat press. So we're over here by the heat press. For this particular vinyl, we're gonna set the temperature to 150 Celsius. Sorry, I don't know it in Fahrenheit. And we're gonna set it to a time of 10 seconds. And then after that, we're gonna set it 10 seconds. And we're gonna use about a medium amount of pressure. There, and then we just peel it off. As you see, the vinyl left the transfer, and that's the finished product. So thank you for watching my little video on using Star's heat transfer vinyl on their dark green PU. I hope you enjoyed that one. Please comment below. I'm gonna do more videos on other projects that I will be doing with vinyls, sublimated mugs, sublimated socks, t-shirts, all kind of different things I plan to do here in